How to start a video call on Discord. Want to see your friends face to face while you chat, game, or study together? Let me show you exactly how to start a video call on Discord. It's fast, easy, and works great on both desktop and mobile. Let's dive in. First things first, open the Discord app or go to discord.com in your browser. Now head to direct message or group DM with the person or people you want to video call. At the top right of the DM or group chat window, click on the video camera icon. This will immediately start a video call. Once you start the call, the other persons will get a ring. As soon as they accept, the video chat begins. During the call, you can toggle your camera on or off, mute your mic, switch to screen share, resize or pop out the video window. Click the red phone icon to leave or end the call. Bonus tip: want to video chat in a server? Join a voice channel. Click the video camera icon at the bottom to turn on your video. Other members in the channel can turn theirs on too. Perfect for study groups, team hangouts, or face-to-face meetups in your community. And that's how you start a video call on Discord, whether in a DM or a server. Stay connected face-to-face anytime. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.